Congratulations! You've ordered a FreeFlow Spa's hot tub. Here's what you can expect when your new tub arrives. From your order date, your hot tub will be made and delivered in 2 to 4 weeks. Our hot tubs are lightweight and portable, making them easy to move with a little help. Your hot tub will need a solid, level surface. A reinforced concrete pad is great. Fill the tub to beyond the top of the highest jet. Plug it into any standard outlet. For our 220-volt models, call a licensed electrician. They'll help with the wiring, and you'll be up and running in no time. In just 24 hours, your new hot tub will heat itself to a toasty 104 degrees. Use pH strips to measure your tub's levels. Then, apply the appropriate water care treatment, adjusting for the correct balance. That's it. Now sit back and soak to your heart's content.